Hey folks, this is the last ticket of the 5, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. And for those of you that like to see, this is a white line ticket. See it at the top there, folks, right there. So set my camera back up. Okay, let's get to it. This could be interesting, folks. Okay, is there a bonus? Nope, no bonus, so we're gonna have to do it the long way. Let's see what happens. Backfire, B-A, no C. Ear, E-A, no R. E-V, no V. Surrey, S, U, no R. Toe, T-O-E. I have a T in this one, so it's gonna be interesting. Act, A, no C. Most, no N. U, Y-O-U, got pine, no P. Hero, no H. And cement, no C. So we're gonna go across the top. D-E-S-K-T-O, no desktop. No reuse. Memo, no M. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G, no R. Impede, I, no M. Type, T-Y, no P. Even, E, no V. Azure, A-Z-U, no R. Crib, no R. And tight, T-I-G, and no H. So that's a loser as well. So Cash Explosion Cashword only netted me $2. Stay tuned for the Power 10X, and if it gets more than $2, it'll be moving on. So stay tuned for that video, and I will see you soon. Bye, folks.